can do few questions from exercise 6.1. First question. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? First one is 81. Okay, 81. See, first you have to check the units place digit. What is our question? What will be the unit digit of the squares? So, of the square means 81 square. 81 into 81. What is the unit place? 81 into 81. Unit place is 1. It is 1 into 1. Obviously, unit place digit is 1 only. The square of 81 unit place is 1. Same way. Next is 272. Same way, 272 into 272. That is unit place you can check first. That is unit place is 2. 2 into 2. 2 square is 4. So unit place digit is 4. Next one, 799. Unit place digit is 9. So 9 square is 81. So the unit place 81 unit place is 1. So 799 squares unit place is 1. Then 3853. Same way 3 square is 9. So unit place square of 3853 unit place digit is 9. Next one 1234. 4 square is 4 is the unit place digit. So 4 square is 16. 16 means 16. So unit place is 6. Okay, same way 26,387. 7 square is 49. So unit place digit is 9. Same way 52,698. 8 square is 64. So unit place 4. Say 99,880. So 0 square 0. Unit place is 0. Then 12,796. Unit place is 6. 6 square is 36. So unit place is 6. Then 55,555. 5 square is 25. So the unit place, the square of the unit place also 5. Hope you all understood. Next question. The following numbers are not perfect squares. Give reason. So these numbers are not perfect squares. We have to tell the reason. First number 1057. Okay, here unit place you should check. What is our property? If a number, the number is a perfect square, then the unit place will be, the unit place digit will be 0, 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. See here 7. So that is the reason unit place digit is 7. So this is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Perfect square. Why? Unit place digit is 7. Unit place digit is 7. That is the reason. So, next one. 23,453. So, here also unit place digit is 3. It's not here. Unit place digit will be 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So, this also unit place digit is 3. That is the reason. Next one. Here also unit place digit is 8. So, obviously this is not a perfect square. Same. 2. Unit place digit is 2. So, this is not a perfect square. And the next one, unit place digit is 0. But how many zeros came? Only 3. The zeros should be even. See 1, 2, 3. If it is one more zero is there, then it will be a perfect square. But here only 3 zeros. If it is only 2 zeros, zeros also, then it will be a perfect square. But here 3 zeros, 3 is an odd number, so this is not a perfect square. The next one, unit place is 2. That is the reason it's not a perfect square. Here also same, 3 zeros should be 4 or 2 or 6, like that. Even, the zero should be even number. Then here also only 1 0, so that is not a perfect square. Hope it is clear. Next question. The squares of which of the following is odd numbers? See here 431. You can check the unit place digit. Square of which of the following is odd number? See, 1 square is 1. 1 is an odd number. So this is this one. First is this one. The squares of which of the following is odd number? 431 square is odd number only. Okay. The next 2826. The unit place digit is 6. So 6 into 6 is 36. So 36 is not an odd number. So this is not, the square is not an odd number. Next one, 7779. Unit place digit is 9. 9 square is 81. So 81 is an odd number. So this is also an odd number. Square of this also an odd number. Same way, 82,004. 4 square is 16. So this is 16 is not an odd number. So 82,004 is not, square is not an odd number. Hope it is clear. Next question. Using the given pattern, find the missing numbers. So first you have to check the pattern thoroughly. See, 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, again 2 square is equal to 3 square. Next 2 square, here square only. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. First check these 3 patterns, then you have to fill the blanks. See here, you have to fill the blanks. So 1 square plus 2 square, check the first 2 numbers. Then the third also same, repeat in 2 square. How do you know? First digit, first number into second number, that is 1 into 2. Then the 2 square only third digit, third one, 2 square. And the answer also, see here, 2 plus 1, 3, that square only answer. So first and second digit you can check, multiply those two, that the number square only third digit, third number. Then the answer also you can add this plus 1, that one square only third. Same way only next also. 2 square plus 3 square. Then 2 into 3. 2 into 3, 6. That square. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 square is the answer. You can check this whether it is correct or not. You can find the squares of these 3 and add. Then find the square of 7 also. Then check whether it is equal or not. Then same way next pattern. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square. 3 into 4 is 12. That's square. Then 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 square. So same way pattern continues. Same way next one you can write 4 square plus 5 square. That is 4 into 5. 20 square. This 20 plus 1, 20 square. 21 square. Same way here also. 5 square plus dash, obviously 5 next number is 6. So 6 square. Plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. Same way here also. 6 square plus 7 square, obviously 6 into 7. Here 42 square. Then 42 plus 1 is 43. So 43 square. Okay, hope it is clear. We can continue in the next class. Thank you.